It's iBoost time. Right, let's get it open. Oh, it's a bit of an odd one, this is. The bridge rectifier kind of measures like okay, like from what I'm seeing. What I'm not liking though is the fact that this is the stupid problem with this. 5V appears to be half the resistance it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like 2.7 ohms and it's 1 point something ohms. So it makes me wonder whether that transformer on the back's gone. Fuse is gone as well. So I think what I want to do is try just replacing this fuse and then see if it blows it again, and then kind of go from there really, because then we can measure the voltages on this thing. But yeah, it's a bit of an odd one really. It doesn't appear to be the usual bridge rectifier, because the readings for that are fine and the readings for that are okay and that are fine. So they are slightly high, like it's supposed to be about 400 I think, and it's 490, but yeah, this shouldn't really stop it working. But yeah, something's blown the fuse. It just makes me wonder whether it's something external that's blown the fuse, and it's just a result of it. But yeah. Right, so nothing was shorted on this that I could see. So what I've done now is replace the fuse, and so I've just got it set up for testing now. So we should give it a test and run it on boost for a while just to test it. Weirdly, it is rather slow, so I think something's still wrong with it. It's not really heating this heater up much. So it's possible the IGBT's on its way out. Well, I said that, and then I plugged it all in, and it still wouldn't work properly. The immersion wasn't coming on. So I took the bridge rectifier off, and lo and behold, there's a hole in it, which is, I don't really understand why, because the measurements were fine. That they actually measured okay. So I really don't know what was going on there. Yeah, bizarre. So I've taken the IGBT off as well, just to replace that, because I say if this is knackered, it's probably killed that as well. Even though the readings on that, I just don't trust it because it wasn't actually heating at all. But yeah, hole in the bridge rectifier. So yeah, what should we do? Get those two replaced, and it should fix it then. So I've changed the fuse and also bridge rectifier IGBT, so we should be good to go now. Right, let's try this now. A bit of a weird one this is. Basically I've never seen them before where you change the fuse and it'll come on and it works, but then nothing works. It was weird because it would turn on, but then when I was trying to activate the heater, nothing would come on. Like, it wasn't heating the immersion up. So now if we go to boost, it's working. It should be heating the immersion up. There you go, it's heating the immersion up. That wasn't happening before. It was saying boost, but it wasn't boosting. There was nothing happening. So yeah, it's weird. I've seen a bridge rectifier blow up but continue to work. Okay, so that's job done, ready to send back.